5G towers are the cause of coronavirus, or they are themselves the virus. Let's find out. So, there's been all of this buzz around that the 5G towers are the reason coronavirus is happening, and even the claims that there's no such thing like COVID 19, but the 5G signals causes all of the symptoms that make you feel like you are infected by a virus. So, we tried to search all the claims and the people who were making these claims, and guess what we found? The YouTubers and many Instagrammers like Woody Harrelson and John Cusack, and they are having millions of followers on their accounts. And the anti-vaxxers are the major focus or the major faces behind all of these conspiracies. It is because of their ranting on the electronic media and other social media platforms that the people who even don't know about the importance behind the virus and rejects its existence and mechanism in entirety are causing less literate people to believe them. And a more sad part of this story is that the telecommunication employees in many western parts of the countries and many western countries, if I say, are being harassed by the citizens just because they were involved in maintenance or setting up a 5G tower in their place. There is no, a kind of involvement of those person. What are they doing? The anti-vaxxers claims that the 5G conspiracy is being implemented globally so that it can eradicate all the boomers or the persons of high age so that they can lower the population of the world. The claim is that the 5G produces such electromagnetic waves that causes a person to feel nauseous and shows the symptoms similar to the symptoms that the persons are showing that are being infected nowadays by this pandemic, even without knowing that the 5G is just an upgraded form of the 4G network that was called the fourth generation network. This is called the fifth generation network that just increases the bandwidth and the download and upload speeds of a network for better computing and better networking. But the thing to remember is that these guys even don't believe in vaccines. The vaccines has been around for like century or a century, and natural vaccines has been around for 2 centuries, and they are claimed to be working and are scientifically proven. So the guys who don't believe in them just can make any claim, and their claim should not be considered, and the credibility of their claim is just kind of a null and void. So even just think for a second how in the world, even if we consider that it is a conspiracy, just think for a second that how in the world can all the countries that even don't like to sit on a same page in the United Nations conferences can just agree on same page to cause a deliberate butcher at the same time in the whole world. And even if this story is true, why the poor countries that are not even having 5G towers in their countries, not even 4G towers, like Bangladesh and Iran and Sri Lanka, are facing such booms in the coronavirus? Why? Even though they don't have any kind of 5G network or even 4G infrastructures. So this supports this thing that these are just myths and should be debunked. And one person in TED Talk around 4 years ago just predicted that a pandemic was to rise, and it was a thing that you know that pandemics happens, and just like the Spanish flu, this would happen. The Bill Gates, and Bill Gates is also being roasted online for his opinion and for sharing his predictions with the world because they just became true. The people or these conspiracy theorists are saying that the Bill Gates is set to just make his Windows weak when he released his Windows. These people are saying that he deliberately made his Windows weak, so then afterwards he can just release antiviruses for his Windows and he can earn money by them. They are saying that because the Bill Gates is so much involved in vaccination of countries with World Health Organization, he is making profits out of it. So just to make more profit, he just conspired a global pandemic, and when the vaccines arrives, he will be the first person to start selling the vaccine and making billions of more dollars. So even though these are some kind of they will try to make you manipulate your mind so they can just make you feel like anything they are saying is just true. that's their game. They are just kind of a con artist, so they will be just making kind of claim. But the thing is that the virus has been studied, and in many laboratories it has been found that the virus is having a nucleotide sequence. Nucleotides are small sequences or small proteins that are present in a virus, and it has been said that the virus is itself, you know, has nourished inside a host and was then transmitted to a human from a bat or maybe something else, and then started to replicate in the human, and then the human to human transformation begin. So the thing is to say is that the virus has been proved internationally by many laboratories to exist, and so there is no need or no room for this kind of theory to exist. And it is even funny that many people just started to destroy many 5G towers in their places because of this conspiracy. That's just totally nuts. So I guess that's all for this video. If you like my video and my opinion, please subscribe to me and my channel, and don't forget to like.